Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 9 of the HCBS Final Rule, right to visitors. The requirement states residents can have visitors of their choosing at any time. At any time. Let's drop in on Sunny Oaks and see how a power surge, a trashed bedroom, and Barry White gave Lorenzo a night he'd never forget.
Hey, Nova. I thought you were going home an hour ago.
Well, someone has to keep the lights on.
You're doing a bang-up job.
Very funny, Lucas. Come on, let's make sure everyone is okay. What happened in here? Anyone hurt?
No, but when Naomi gets here, I might need an ambulance.
Oh, it's my fault. We tried to help Renzo set up the perfect date.
Mistakes were made.
That's a lot of candles. Can we even have open flames?
For love, sometimes you have to break the rules. Atmosphere.
Atmosphere is right. Whew, it's getting hot in here.
I got ice cream. I had ice cream.
Cup of ramen for 2. I didn't know which flavor you wanted, so I made them all.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Well, that's not good.
Okay, when's Naomi getting here?
I can ask her to come later. Will that be too late?
Of course not. You guys can have visitors at any time. This is your home. So, we'd better get started. Lucas, check the breaker. The rest of you, let's clean up this mess. No open flames, but we do allow candles. Battery-operated ones.
Here, you can borrow my limited edition Lanterman record player. I only have one record. It's Barry White. What? I have layers?
It's anniversary time. Time to celebrate.
It's perfect. Thank you.
I guess you're covered.
Oh no, I forgot dinner.
I've got that covered.
Hey, Naomi, how long have you been here?
Long enough to see you desperately trying to make our night perfect. Lucky for you, I brought takeout from Sushi Joe's.
I love you.
I know.
Okay, everyone out. Let's give them their privacy.
Exactly. HCBS Final Rule number 7. Right to privacy.
Here, my love. Have a seat.
Don't mind if I do.
With some quick thinking and some takeout sushi, Lorenzo pulled off his dream date. The people you support have the right to have visitors at any time. It's their home. Remember, big, impactful change can start with small conversations. As a service provider, being person-centered means listening to the people you support and acting upon what you hear.